spend money on your girlfriend to the point to be say other men go dey fear to talk to her. You know understand? Once you get this mentality as a man, you don't know say your own don't finish. Now mumu man you be, because you not get any level for this life. Where woman one day, when man go dey fear to talk to woman, you not day. Tiwa Savage not be person girlfriend. Or the Nicki Minaj.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now time don't reach. Welcome to Talk Amasi B Show, the #1 program where they scatter them and give you gist where they hot like suya. Alright, Ghen don't come out to correct the student where they go Ghen University. Yes, you see the first video where we drop. Other people where they as students don't they misyan, they think come the other way around. So we go play you the video of some of the students, then you go now listen to wetin Ghen talk about in teaching. Say because women don dey vex, they don dey accuse am, say then they lose income from the students. Okay, make we listen to Ghen after we watch the video of Ghen student as TB Ozo Baba. Okay, make we go.
Instead of you dey train woman for school, buy goat, small one. Buy man own, make buy woman own. Train them. They will give you profit at the end of the day, because 4 years to 6 years to 5-6 years of training the woman in school, if you start train goat with that same amount of money, in 6 years you go know how much will come out from that goat business instead of to carry that money.
Relationship can be defined as a situation by which you invite somebody into your life to carry the responsibility of that person, and when you not get again, the person go move on to the next person wey go fit carry her responsibility. Everybody say relationship is overrated. Relationship is overrated. Where those yahoo boys of 2022 to 2024, those are girlfriends of that time where the boys they hot. Anywhere the boys dey, you must see the girls for there. Where those girls, 90% of them don't break up with those boys, as the boys don't broke now. This one they tell you not believe me, go and do research. Those yahoo boys with their hand hot before, as they don't broke, go check them. Those guys with they date that time, they not deal with them again. They are now in a new relationship with new set of people. That time when those boys they hot, anything where they buy for their self, they go buy for the girl, because they believe say, and many of them believe that I say now the grace of the girl help them pick. So anything where they buy for their self, they go buy for the girl. Same iPhone, same color of clothes, they'll lodge apartment, they do mirror selfie. 4 types of girls you should never date in your life if you want to become successful. Number 1, students. Not date them. They are very, very entitled. They always need emergency money. And they thief polo. Once they come your house, your polo must miss. The truth about them is that they not they get one boyfriend. And they get one for school. They also get one for the place where they come from. Because they always need money. They always need emergency money. So because they need emergency money and they are not working, they always they find different places they want them to be they call to be after they sort their bills. And because many of them in school, they feel like say the school where they go, they are fighting for their life. So therefore, you will be the man. Use your head. Ghen not tell you say dislike woman. No, not my advice be that. So when they say a lot of narrative people they push on social media, people they push on social media, not be my teaching be that. Use your head. As I day like this, I always choose woman will love me. Will love me more than the way I love her. Now your strength be that as a man, but many of them don't know. You will make money, get where they reject you before. Just because you believe say you love this, get where they reject you before. Wait, because say she feel like say you not join. Money call later enter your hand and that same girl you won't follow. Are you not a stupid person? If many of all these small things when I really they teach, all this is a normal common sense. When I really they teach common sense. Get what you talked to before, wait reason you less. She say you not join. Later go call really package the life with the dream for you. You do your normal yearly. You do your normal everything, every. That same girl, now you got the high. All of them again I get what you say you your people near body. People see use your money to even buy a over. Blast up better donkey. Let her know say this toto. Make this toto make people you have push and go, make she go. Go walk. You don't want fool anybody. You don't want fool anybody. Struggle. You don't want short bone or you want short flesh, turkey. Any girl when you talk to before and they tell you this thing now because I know what I tell you. Not before. Wait, that's the way. I get my own car, I get hotel, I get business, I popular, I get fame, I straight. All that, everything I dey shine. Everything when they glitter, na be me, I be gold, and they reflect for people eye. The way I dey here like this, if woman dey in this my level, I swear to God, before you go see a party, you go cry. They go preserve that to for only rich people. If you don't what they talk now, you as a boy now, okay. But I'm gonna talk anyhow, okay. You as a boy now, we get car now. You get car, you get your own house. I know many boys who be say I even seen where boys of 18 now, 19, 20 something. They get car, they get like three houses safe. Their food is worry. All those boys there so. Even in that your level, you don't date girl where build her own house. Let me say she dey stay her own house, where build her own house. Get where build her own house, saying she's a landlady where build her own house. Not be say get where senior you as a boy of 25 or where they like 30 years the way I did now. Your girlfriend is 25, she get her own house where she build and where she dey drive. Get where that level safe before you go even see her say you go hard. She not agree follow you.
They go to, is it Ghen University? Ghen. They go to Ghen University to go and get notes, to take notes. Any believer who goes to that kind of place is a shame. It's a shame. You have an entire 66 books with God's instructions, and you're following somebody who doesn't know how to quote John 3:16.